Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I'm so tired. I feel like my weekend off went by like that. Back to work. I have to work tomorrow. Tomorrow. And I'm off Wednesday. I might sleep in and then go to like I don't know. Okay, well, I'm heading to work now. It is like 7:20-ish. And I have work at 8. I think I work 8 to 5, so just gonna stuff. If I worked at 11 today, I think I would be still sleeping. It's like 9. But it's okay. I'm going to I get coffee. Can't wait to get to work to get my coffee. Yeah. Okay. Work. I have 3 more hours or so to go. It was a busy morning. Now it's a mellow afternoon. I'm tired. Well, they're finally closed. I lasted all day. And now I'm just gonna go back and finish cleaning. I just had to run upstairs to use the bathroom. Because I really have to pee. But now, my back hurts. Ooh, gotta go. Alright, back on campus. You saw earlier was I was at Safeway getting some things for the cookies, and then I went to Panda Express to get dinner for my roommate and I. And now I'm gonna go to check the mailbox, see if there's any physical mail, and then I am get the sodas, and go back, eat dinner, upload yesterday's vlog. Because I should export it and upload it. And that's it. Yeah. I'm home. I'm just making sure all my videos re-download so I have them, and then I gotta export the vlog from yesterday, and then I gotta upload it. So while all this happens, I'm going to be watching Frozen, the musical, again, and eating my dinner. So yeah, I'm showered, I'm clean, I feel fresh. Only I have to go back to work tomorrow, so my body needs to relax. But yeah, okay. So I'm baking the melting moments, and the oven's giving me issues. Every time I open the oven, a lot of smoke is coming out. I don't know why, so I'm just baking the cookies and seeing what happens. And if the smoke comes out, then it's kind of worrisome. So I don't want the smoke detector to go off. I have them to watch it, so I'm gonna be watching it. I just want to cook these melting moments. That's all I want to do. Scared. I hate baking. I tried. Hey guys. So I'm just rehearsing a monologue that I'm gonna film tomorrow for an audition. I can give you a sample. I'm sorry, I'm like really tired. I look really ratchet. I just overweight. You know. Fine, it's whatever. You know, it's me. Don't look the best, but New year, new me, right? Anyways, back to the monologue. Here we go. This is why I didn't want to come. None of you listened to me. I don't like the fact that I have to tiptoe around her, reminding her who I am, watching her talk to nothing. It's not fun being reminded over and again that I don't matter to her like I used to. And you're not listening. She needs help. Help we cannot give her. She deserves more than this. She deserves better than this. She deserves the best. Listen to me. It's not okay that she hits you. It's not okay for her to lash out. And it's definitely not okay that she gets to get away with it. What if she turns heads and attacks Pops? Are we gonna do something about it then? We can't help her. We're not equipped for it. There are people trained, facilities that are in help, medication that will get her better. If we keep putting this off, it's gonna bite us back in our asses. Thanks, guys. Hope you liked it. Not doing it again. Cool. Hey, peace. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because having some technical difficulties. It won't airdrop to my laptop. It's failing for some odd reason. So I'm gonna have to upload everything a different way and download it somewhere else. So it's gonna take a little longer for me to do this. But thank you guys for joining me in today's vlog. I know it wasn't a lot, but I gotta go finish the cookies as well. So while I'm gonna upload all of this on my drive and then download it. So while I do that, I'm gonna finish the cookies and everything, and I get ready for bed. So thank you guys for joining me on today's vlog. And tomorrow's vlog might be a shorter vlog because I work both jobs and everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. Yeah, peace, love, and holla at your bro.